Have a look at these videos. A cat moving in rain through a street washed in blurred lights. A puppy panting in sleep right next to a fireplace. Would you believe these are creations of VEO, new video generation tool by Google? Let's see how we can use this tool to create these videos. In order to access the view, you need to come right over here onto this build option. Simply click over it, and right over here you can see we are greeted with this option, build apps with Gemini. Once you are into aistudio.google.com, simply head over right to generate media on your left side. And right over here you can see we are greeted with create generative media. You can see we are given some models to explore like Gemini image generation, Gemini speech generation, high quality images. And over here you can see we have this option, create clips and animate images using generative video. Simply click over it. Right over here you can see we have some videos that have been generated using Veo. On the right we have some settings, like you can choose the option Veo 2 or Veo 3, but currently Veo 3 is unavailable in some countries. Number of results, you can choose the number of results to be 1, 2 or more. Number of results, you can choose number of results to be 1 or 2. I'm gonna stick with 1. And from here, we are going to choose the aspect ratio, which could be 16:9 or 9:16. And the maximum length that it has given is 8 seconds. So I'm going to create a video that is of a 6 second. Choosing the frame rate is still coming, as well as the resolution. Right over here, you can put in the negative prompt. So let's create our first video. So I'm going to write my prompt. Create a video of a fluffy puppy sleeping peacefully next to a warm, crackling fireplace, soft lighting. Let me click on Run command and let's wait. And there you go. We have created a video of a fluffy puppy sleeping peacefully next to a warm, crackling fireplace. Let me click over here to play the video. Just look at it. How natural it seems to be. Let me click on large view and play it. Just look at it. How natural it seems to be. You can simply download it right from here. And there you go. We have downloaded it. And it is 1805 KB. You can also export it to your drive as well. Now let me get back. And over here you can see video generation with Veo AI Studio has a limited free quota for testing. To generate videos beyond the free limit or to integrate Veo into your project, please use the Gemini API. Let me click on get started. And over here you can see it says Veo is a paid only feature. It won't run with free tier. Running all examples in this notebook cost over $10. For more pricing details you can click right over here. So actually we are given some free credits to generate videos with Veo, and if you want to upgrade you can use the paid version. Let me ask it to create one more video. So let me put in my prompt, and the prompt is create a sleek black cat with glowing green eyes walking along a wet city street at night with neon signs reflected on the pavement. Let me decrease the video generation from 8 to simply 5 seconds. And let me keep rest of the things unchanged. Now click on Run command, and over here you can see it's taking the time to create a video. So the video generation largely depends on your system, your network, and the speed of your internet. Over here you can see it's 30 seconds, 37 seconds, and we are close to getting a video. Let's wait, and there you go. We have created a video of a black cat. Let me view it in large screen and click over here to play. Just look at it. How beautiful and how accurately it has depicted our prompt in the form of a video. Just look at it again. It's wonderful. It looks really hard to be a video generated with AI. Looks pretty natural, as if shot with a high quality camera. Let me download it right from here, and there you go. It was 2.1 MB. So I hope now you know how to create videos with the help of Veo, the Google video generation tool. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.